System lists include inventory types, inventory statuses, transaction types, and return statuses. Custom system lists can be toggled on or off using the active flag. First, let's toggle off the additional transaction types cluttering up the drop-down list on the issue return page. For each of the transaction types we want to toggle off, remove the check mark from the active column, then click Save. Returning to the issue return page, we see that the transaction type list reflects the changes that we made. Next, we will toggle off the redundant return statuses. For each one we want to toggle off, remove the check mark in the active column and then click Save. Inventory types used with part numbers can also be toggled off. Keep in mind, inactive inventory types and any inventory that uses an inactive inventory type will no longer be visible.